Happy Multiple Income Streams Monday, team. So, are you prepared for the flood? Only you can decide for you. So, if 100 people want to join your business today, do you have your system set up and ready to receive them? That's part of believing, is to be prepared, okay? Just as a mother conceives a child, she gets ready for the birth of that child. So you must be prepared, okay? Mindset, get your system ready, and keep it super simple. So there's two money boats, okay? There's a slow money boat, there's a fast money boat, and you get to decide which money boat you're going to be on, okay? Remember, our aim is full-time freedom. It starts with a thought, okay? And I just thought it long enough without resistance that it became my reality, okay? It's not difficult. It's consistency. It's accepting as true that it's possible for you. So in that accepting, you make some preparations, okay? So on the slow money boat, you can help 3 people in 7 days, 3 people in 14 days, 3 people in 30 days, okay? Completely your decision. On the fast money boat, you can empower 3 people an hour, 3 people a day, 3 people 48 hours, okay? Completely up to you. So make a decision which boat you're gonna get on. Either way, you know, it's not the money, it's your decision, okay? It's your decision as to how many people you help and how slow or how fast you decide that you want to get to full-time freedom. So make a decision, get with your sponsor, get with me, 618-223-6006. Guys, let's get your goals chart done. Let's get it done every week. It should have been done yesterday on Sunday. You need to connect with your sponsor, take personal responsibility for your success. If your business flies, it's because of you. If your business dies, that's also because of you, okay? We're just a conduit. We can't do it for you, okay? It's so much more fun if we work together as a team, but it depends on each of us individually, and duplication is key, okay? So thank you for being a part of our team. Let's connect, 618-223-6006. And if you don't have money working for you, you're working too hard. So it's just a little shift in mindset day by day, guys. Just wake up, say, you know what? Today is my day. I'm going to choose full-time freedom. You take a few little steps of belief towards full-time freedom instead of the habits that you've had for years and years and years. Just creating a new habit will set you free. So thank you. Again, 618-223-6006. I appreciate each of you. Have a wonderful day. God's best. Have some fun along the way. Dance a little bit. Sing a little bit. Smile. And be grateful.